At Udemy, we believe that the best learning happens when you don't just watch, you do. That's the idea behind our newly updated coding exercises. These instructor-created challenges help learners in development and data science practice their coding skills right in the Udemy course-taking experience. Here's how it works. Each coding exercise is listed under course content along with lectures. Instructions are provided for the exercise challenge. The solution is entered in an IDE-like interface. The code that's entered is then validated. And now instructors can provide hints, solution explanations, and related lectures to turn every coding exercise into a truly teachable moment. Instructors can build coding exercises in a continually updated set of languages, libraries, and frameworks. Ready to try? You can find courses with coding exercises by using the filter when browsing for courses. So get started today, and you won't just be watching, you'll be doing. Code on.